Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash, I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold is trying to recover after making a low of 3295, 3296. So yes, gold was under pressure yesterday. As we all know, okay, gold has been really crazy for the last couple of days, but yes, we got our bounces, okay, the temporary bounces that we discussed yesterday. But overall, the market was under the dominance of sellers. But when market hit 329596 area, okay, market took support, and now we can see that market is trying to recover. And yesterday also we discussed about the importance of the ceasefire that US President Donald Trump has announced. But still, both the parties, okay, have not given any official confirmation or announcement yet. So, okay, things are very fragile right now. If anything happens, okay, then obviously we will see a direct reaction from gold again. But as of now, things, I won't say very much stable, but yes, they are heading towards a positive direction. So please stay in touch with the news. Okay, any ceasefire violation, okay, will show, okay, some big candles on the chart of gold. So please stay in touch with the news, because globally things are very fragile right now. And if you look at the market sentiment, you can see gold edges higher. Gold prices edge higher to around 333 per ounce. Not 333, okay, $3,330 per ounce on Wednesday, slightly recovering from a 2-week low as markets wait the stability of the Iran-Israel ceasefire. So market is expecting that, okay, this ceasefire is going to work, and okay, things will be stable in the next few days. Okay, and this is the chart of gold in front of us. So we can clearly see that market is trying to recover, but overall, okay, the chart is not very clear to us. So technically, okay, things are not very easy for us, because we have seen that gold has been really playing with all the traders. Okay, buyers are getting trapped, sellers are getting trapped. Okay, we are getting trapped everywhere. So gold has been really been very difficult recently. But if you look at a daily chart of gold, we can see that daily chart of gold is showing market taking support around the 50 moving average. Okay. In fact, in a previous video also we discussed the possibility of market taking support around a 50 moving average, and we can see right now. Okay, so 50 moving average on a daily chart is a powerful dynamic support. If things, okay, head towards the right direction, we can expect the market to go up from here. Okay, and if the ceasefire fails and if any bad news comes out, then obviously, okay, market will react differently. It will be very difficult for me to say that, okay, that if ceasefire fails, gold will be bullish, because we have seen that when situation escalated, okay, gold did not respond. Gold has been full of surprises and shocks also. So stay in touch with the news and react as per the situation. So we are back to the hourly chart of gold. So today also we will try to stick to the levels, because we are not very sure in which direction gold will be heading. Nobody knows in which direction gold is about to go. So my dear friends, if gold falls, okay, if we see gold falling with high volume, you can look for a sell below 3293. This was the support market took yesterday. If market breaks the support, we can look for a sell below 3293 area. Where is the next support? The next support, or the next best support on the chart of gold, is around 3277, 3272. This blue box, okay, this blue box is the next support on the chart of gold, where we can look for a buy position if market breaks 3293 area. How much we can expect in this situation? Do not expect a complete trend reversal, because there is no guarantee, warranty, nothing. Okay, but as a trader, if market takes support, we can expect a minimum 70 pips bounce, just like yesterday. After 70-80 pips, if you see the market has further potential, you can hold the trade. Otherwise, 70 to 80 pips in this crazy situation is more than enough. And then we have the best support or the biggest support around 3255, 3245. This blue box at the bottom is a big zone. You can see this 324555 is a big box. Okay, this is the ultimate support. I don't think so. Okay, market will head towards 324555. Chances are very less. Okay, let me change the color so that you can identify better. Okay, you can see the orange box at the bottom is the ultimate support, but chances of market testing this ultimate support is very less because we can see that gold is trying to recover, but market is full of surprises. We should know where we can get the trades. Okay, so if gold breaks this particular low with volume, we can look for a sell below this area. This is our support. If market takes support, then only buy. Okay, and this is the ultimate support, the yellow box here. Keep in mind, no level is permanent. Things are very crazy. Do not go with a big lot size. And if you're still not a part of the Telegram community, please join. Okay, I updated many things in the morning. Okay, if anything crazy happens, okay, you'll get a update in the community immediately. And for a complete trend reversal, gold needs to fly or go above 3400. Chances of market going above 3400 is very less because market structure is not positive. So chances of gold going above 3400 is rare. Okay, and as long as gold is trading below 3400, market will be under pressure. That we cannot deny. As a day trader, okay, if you see market is going up, you can see I have many dotted lines here. If you see market, okay, market facing resistance around 3345, 3356, 3373. Okay, these are the three levels where you can look for a sell opportunity. As a scalper, how much you can expect? 40 pips. But my dear friends, keep in mind, okay, these are minor levels. So these are not high risk, these are super high risk. Yes, these are super high risk level. If you're a beginner, new trader, please avoid. But if you are a scalper, you have good enough experience, okay, then you can look for a quick selling opportunity around these three levels. We have derived these levels with the help of FIBO. Okay, though FIBO is not in much these days, okay, but we can see that still there is a potential. If market shows that there is a possibility of market going down for 40-50 pips, you can just hit the button. Okay, otherwise just avoid, because okay, it's better to stay with the price. And as I said already, okay, stay in touch with the news. Things are very crazy. If I get any proper update, I will update in the Telegram community. So please join. Okay, and let's hope, okay, peace will come very soon. And today we also have a testimony from the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell. So this will also bring volatility to the market. Be careful. Okay, if you are a heart patient, you're a patient of high blood pressure, then this is not the right time to trade. Not at all. Okay. So take care, my dear friends. Be a trader, not a gambler. Market has been crazy. Okay, do not jump in with your hard-earned money. Bye bye.